Welcome to Nature with Aristotle, the show where we embark on fascinating journeys through the natural world. I'm your host, Aristotle, and today we're going to explore one of the most incredible ecosystems on our planet, mangrove forests. Mangrove forests are a type of coastal ecosystem found in tropical and subtropical regions around the world. These unique forests are defined by their distinctive vegetation, which consists of mangrove trees and shrubs that have adapted to survive in salty, waterlogged environments. But what makes mangrove forests truly significant is their critical role in supporting an incredible array of plant and animal life, from tiny microorganisms to massive marine mammals. The evolutionary history of mangrove forests dates back millions of years, with fossil evidence suggesting that these ecosystems have remained relatively unchanged since the Eocene epoch, around 50 million years ago. The first scientific documentation of mangrove forests can be attributed to early naturalists and explorers, such as Charles Darwin, who wrote extensively about the unique characteristics of these ecosystems during his travels. From a scientific perspective, mangrove forests are characterized by their unique biological classification. These ecosystems are dominated by a group of plant species known as mangroves, which belong to several different families, including Rhizophoraceae, Avicenniaceae, and Combretaceae. The most distinctive feature of mangrove trees is their ability to survive in environments with high levels of salt and low oxygen levels, thanks to specialized roots that allow them to breathe air and exclude salt from their tissues. One of the key researchers who has contributed significantly to our understanding of mangrove forests is Dr. Catherine Suding, a marine biologist who has spent years studying the complex interactions between mangroves and their environment. Her work has shown that mangrove forests play a critical role in supporting coastal fisheries, with many commercial fish species relying on these ecosystems as nurseries or feeding grounds. Recent research has also highlighted the importance of mangrove forests in mitigating the effects of climate change. A study published in the journal Nature found that mangroves are able to store significant amounts of carbon dioxide, making them an important tool in the fight against global warming. Additionally, mangrove forests have been shown to provide crucial protection against storms and sea level rise, with their complex network of roots and trunks helping to stabilize coastlines and prevent erosion. But mangrove forests are not just important for their ecological role, they also support a wide range of fascinating and unique plant and animal species. For example, the mangrove rivulus, a small fish found in the mangroves of the Caribbean, is able to survive out of water for extended periods by using its powerful fins to drag itself across land. Other examples include the mangrove crab, which uses its sharp claws to defend itself against predators, and the mangrove snake, which has evolved to hunt in the dense, tangled vegetation of these ecosystems. Unfortunately, mangrove forests are facing numerous threats in the modern world. Deforestation, pollution, and overfishing have all taken a devastating toll on these ecosystems, with many areas experiencing significant declines in biodiversity and ecosystem function. Rising sea levels and increased storm frequency also pose significant challenges to the health and resilience of mangrove forests. Despite these challenges, there are many reasons to be hopeful about the future of mangrove forests. Conservation efforts, such as the restoration of degraded habitats and the protection of key species, are underway in many parts of the world. Additionally, local communities are increasingly recognizing the importance of these ecosystems and taking steps to protect and preserve them. They show us that resilience and adaptability are key components of success, not just for individual species, but for entire ecosystems. And they inspire us to take action to protect and preserve these natural wonders, not just for their intrinsic value as ecosystems, but for the countless benefits they provide to human communities around the world. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, may your curiosity about the natural world continue to flourish.